you are finally arrived at Curug Cipelah. After passing the entrance gate, the fares are super affordable. Only 10,000 rupiah for admission and 5,000 for parking. Plus, as you can see, the parking area is very spacious. Just a short walk from the parking lot, you are immediately greeted by the breathtaking landscape of the waterfall.
Look at the crystal clear water. You can take a dip and enjoy the natural freshness right here. I highly recommend adding this spot to your trip list. Truly a sight to behold, isn't it?
Hello everyone, today I found a total hidden gem that is just so refreshing. Look at this, right behind me is a majestic waterfall, surrounded by lush green hills. The atmosphere is so peaceful, the air is incredibly cool, and what's unique is this crystal clear pond right at the foot of the slope. If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city for a bit, this place definitely belongs on your bucket list. Come on, check it out!
This area provides at the gazebo for the visitor to rest and relax while enjoying the natural surroundings. There is also natural pool that can be used for the swimming or the playing in the water. But the gazebo and the pool are surrounded by green plant, creative place, clam, and the comfortable atmosphere for the visitor.
See you guys!